Good morning, dear students, and a very, very happy National Sports Day to all of you. Every year, 29th of August is celebrated as National Sports Day as a mark of reverence to this great hockey legend, Major Dhyan Chand Singh. I think India has been celebrating this day right from the year 2012. And over these 9 years, the government of India has been trying or has initiated a number of programs relating to sports like this Khelo India movement or the Fit India movement to encourage and inspire young mass like all of you to take up sports as a career. It is said that India has a young demography as on now. But India's young demography won't be that young by 2036. So given this limited time available with us, so the government of India is trying to create opportunities to harness the young mass and skill them to reach the expected level of excellence. My dear students, in this recent Olympics, Neeraj Chopra has won a gold medal. It's a proud moment for all the DAVians that he is an alumni of DAV Chandigarh. Earlier, Avinav Bindra, the sports shooter, won also a gold medal for India. He is also a DAVian. So when we see our DAVians, our alumni are getting gold medal, always there is an expectation and hope that why not my students one day will reach the Olympic and get a gold medal for the country, for themselves, for the nation, and make everyone proud. Keeping that in mind, the sports department of our school have started many new sports programs and trying to harness the young sporting talents in all of you. It's also a great moment as we are going to felicitate a Paralympic champion.
Good morning everyone. I convey my best wishes to all my dear students and teachers on the occasion of National Sports Day. I don't expect you to be like Dhyan Chand, but if you include one of the sports in your life, then you will make yourself fit and healthy.
Good morning everybody. Today, August 29, whole country is celebrating the National Sports Day of our country, commemorating the birthday of the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. On this very special day, so we pay our heartfelt tribute to Major Dhyan Chand's achievement for developing the Indian hockey. So the National Sports Day sends us a message that sports develop a sense of friendliness and team spirit. This is a very special day for all the sports players of our country. On this day, the meritorious sports persons of our country, they will be felicitated by His Excellency President of India in form of Arjun Award, Khel Ratna Award, Dhyan Chand Award, Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Award, like this. But students, so definitely, though we are observing the National Sports Day, but definitely we can say we have but a long years to go. So the sports should be a part and parcel, the people of our country, the students of our country. So they have to choose, they have to involve with the different sporting activities around the year. So it is rightly said that the country which is rich in sports, they are rich in economy. So if you are fit and fine, so definitely we can contribute a lot to the economic development of our countries. So wishing all the best from the Department of Physical Education, DAV School, Pokhriput to you, and wish you a healthy life during the session 2021-22. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
हाय नमस्कार, मैं हूं दूती चंद, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खिलाड़ी, ओलंपियन अजनवाड़ी। आज मेजर ध्यानचंद का जन्मदिन है, तो इसी दिन को मान्य रखने के लिए नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे माना जाता है। इसी नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे में सभी को मेरी तरफ से शुभकामना। बेसिकली मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी पोखरीपुट डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल को, जिन्होंने बच्चों को सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं, खेल के साथ में भी सपोर्ट करते हैं, जिस कारण से बच्चे पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेल में भी ज़्यादा ध्यान देते। तो जितने सारे पेरेंट्स हैं सभी को यही कहूँगी, बच्चों को सिर्फ पढ़ाना नहीं, पढ़ाने के साथ साथ खेल कूद में ध्यान देना ज़रूरी है। आप अच्छी तरह से खेल कूद में ध्यान देंगे तो फिजिकल आपका स्ट्रांग रहेगा, जिसमें आप माइंड भी ठीक रहेगा, तो पढ़ाई में भी ध्यान दे सकते हैं। एक दिन सब लोग सोचते थे कि पढ़ाई में ही भविष्य है, स्पोर्ट्स में कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन आज देखेंगे तो स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत सारा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है गवर्नमेंट तरफ से, प्राइवेट सेक्टर तरफ से। तो कोई भी एथलीट अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस करता है नेशनल लेवल या इंटरनेशनल लेवल में, इसको गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में जॉब दिया जाता है, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट भी मिल जाता है। तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं, पढ़ाई के साथ साथ स्पोर्ट्स करें, यही मेरा दुआ है कि भगवान आशीर्वाद करें, जितने सारे बच्चे हैं तो अच्छी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेल कूद में भी नाम रोशन करें। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, good morning. This is Khamas Sagar Kavi, ex-student DAV Public School Pokhriput, 2012 pass out and ex-CBSE national participant on triple jump. On the occasion of National Sports Day, I'd like to send my best wishes and warm regards to all the sports lovers and to all the students of DAV. Thank you so much. Good luck.
On this auspicious occasion of National Sports Day, I would like to wish all the DAVians a very good luck for their future endeavors. You see, everyone talks a good game, don't they? But what separates the successful from the unknown? It's action. The successful, the champions, they all take massive action. They do not hesitate, they do not procrastinate, they do not fear failure. They fear being average. So now it's time for you to get up. Now it's time for you to get focused. Now it's time for you to get committed. And you must take action. And at the last but not the least, I would like to thank my school for being my constant support, because of which I could stand this strong till date. Thank you.
I would like to convey my best wishes to DAV Public School Pokhriput. Stay fit and keep on playing.
Harder the battle, sweeter the victory. Good morning everyone. On the occasion of the birthday of the former hockey player Sir Major Dhyanchand, I, Siddhismita Pati, an alumni of DAV Pokhriput, wishes every member of the institute a very healthy and happy National Sports Day. I am glad to be the part of this institute which gave me the opportunity to show my talent in various sports activities. Though everything is going online these days, but I truly wish those offline modes of game to be back in our lives very soon. Till then, stay safe, keep playing and be fit.
प्रथम एठारे उपस्थित थिबा डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल पोखरीपुटर गुरुजन मानक मोर प्रणाम। आज मोर स्टूडेंट पारा एथलीट जयंती बेहरा को एटी डाकी सम्मान तार सम्मानित कर निजको गर्वित अनुभव करुँची।
मु प्रथम डीए पब्लिक हाई स्कूल को गुरुजन मानक प्रणाम जनाऊँगी एवं ए स्कूल छोट बड़ भाई भौणी मानक स्नेह श्रद्धा दूची। मो स्टोरी तो सब सारे कहीदेले, मु कौन कहबी सेटा भी कहीपनी। एतिकी तुम मानक कहूँ जे मुझे दिव्यांग होइकी अन्य देश रे अन्य राज्य रे मेडल जीतिकी आम देशर जातीय पताका उड़ाई पाइली, ताले तुम मैंने कौन पे निजे पाठ पढ़ी भी अन्य क्षेत्र में कौन पे निजे आगू न बढ़ी पार।
she is being felicitated with a bouquet as a token of love and best wishes, a memento to mark, and also an uttariya as a mark of our tradition, and wishing her all the best for her bright future to get many more laurels to our state and also our country.
Good afternoon all. Good afternoon ma'am. Your deciding success is of course plugged at your heartstrings, and here I have a question apropos of the same. We have certain loopholes in our life. Our life is of course being with loopholes. As per a resounding success and the story behind it, I have a question to ask you. Like, when we have loopholes, when people come across our loopholes, people try to look down upon us, people try to pull us down to nothing. So what should be our approach when we handle such a situation, when we come across such a situation, or when we have to deal with such a situation?
आगे निजे निज काम करिवो माने तुमको पाठ पढ़ाइबा पे देइसंती मैम पाठ पढ़ी के करिवो कहा कथा सुनिबोनी आज आउ गोटे सांग कहबे चल खेलिबा परे पाठ पढ़िबा ताहले से पाठ तमे पढ़ी परिबोनी कि आगु बढ़ी परिबोनी निज काम जो काम जेते बेले सेते बेले करिबा सेमती आमर प्राक्टिसटा कौन जब मुझे आज प्राक्टिसटा बंद करदेवी आज जो ट्रेनिंगटा थिला काली मु केमती पूरण करें आज ट्रेनिंग काली ट्रेनिंग दीटा को मिसीगले मु इंजुरी रे पड़ जी कहीं आज जब मु प्राक्टिसटा करी काली मोर कम प्राक्टिस रही भाया जब निजे परिश्रम कर आगे पछरे चारिपटे समते भिड़े जे आस यही कम करवा आग कम सार तापर पछरे अन्य कम कर